Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about wool and other animals' hair. So these are also animal fibers we are getting from animals and they are natural fibers. Today we are going to discuss about wool making. How does sheep's wool turns into clothes? Do you know? Yes, today we are going to discuss about that. Hand spinners also used fiber for animals such as llamas, camels, goat, egg, rabbit. These fibers are generally used in clothing, not only sheep's. So here we have to discuss about different kinds of animal fibers. First just tell me what is wool. Wool is a dense warm coat of sheep also called as fleece. The hair of fleece has many unique properties but make it well suitable to textile product. Something human realized approximately 8000 BCE when sheep first began to domesticate. Wool is also used in a variety of textiles and can be found woven or knitted. That's what we are wearing sweaters, shawls today. So this is a prominent idea. And now we have to discuss about the steps in processing wool to yarn. Step 1, shearing. In this process, they will shave the outermost layer of the sheep and they will take the hairy part, that fleecy part, and next step 4 is picking. After sorting the fleece, the fiber and that is called burr is picked out from the hair. So that animals which are having burr on the body, they are known as burr bearing animals. Carding. It is step 5. It is a mechanical process and here they will make fibers from the fleece which are taken. Step 6. Dyeing. White color or off-white color fleece means yarns. They will dipped into a color water and into their required colors. Step 7. Spinning. After dyeing wools, then the fiber are then combed. This comb make the fibers straight. And after straightening, they will move to re-reeling process. Come on children, let's one more time recall the topic. Step 1 is shearing. In this process, they will collect fleece from sheep's body. They will shave and they will take fleece from the body. After that, they will move to combing. In between combing and shearing, we have sorting too. In this sorting, they will separate the fleece in their texture and they will make clean and dry it. For the combing process, different kinds of combs were used together and this combing process makes the wool straight. And after that, this combing process, they will move the wool into re-reeling process. Combing take of the short fiber, also called knolls and lines. The longer fiber are paralleled with the another in a silver. The silver is a long bundle of a fiber that is generally used to spin yarns. After spinning yarns, they will use carding. This carding process, they will make the yarns into spinning process. The spinning make the yarns more strong. When the spinning completed, the yarns are more perfect and having good strength. and they are strong enough. After this process, they go to re-reeling and the yarns are ready to weaving. After weaving, sweaters, shawls, mufflers, blouses like these woolen items are ready to wear. This process is also known as knitting. Properties of wools: warm and comfortable to wear, wrinkle resistance, good resiliency when dry, good wrap and elasticity, damaged when chlorine bleach. May shrink unless thread. Uses of wools are like this. They can able to make sweaters, gowns, blouses, caps, mufflers and newborn baby shoes. They will make our body warm enough. Advantages: they are warm, light in weight, wrinkle resistant, fire resistant, absorbent, dyes well, comfortable, durable, creases well, easy to tailor, and disadvantages are affected by moths and shrinks with heat and moisture, needs special care, dry cleaning, absorbs odor, stretchly on skin, weakness when wet, harmed by moths. Here we can see different kinds of other animals also, not only sheep. And these are the best wools: merino wool, moreen wool, Kashmiri, and these are alpaca and yaks are there. Actually, these are polar region animals. Not only these animals, Angora rabbits and some camels and yak, those are living in a polar regions also, having fleas on their body. They are good enough to give us wool. Major steps necessary to process wool. One more time, just to recapitulation: shearing, cleaning and sorting, grading and sorting, carding, spinning, weaving and knitting. By this cycle, you can get good enough of mind mapping. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed this poem and all of you remember your childhood days, isn't it? It is so funny. So, children, like this, always be smiling and keep learning, keep getting knowledge. More times you have to see these videos and you have to get knowledge. Learn steps of wool making and a process of yarn making. Thank you, children. That's all for today. Bye.